everybody. Iceman50 here. I want to let everybody know I bought a Honda Grom, a 2022. So yeah, it's gonna be exciting. Look for it coming on the channel. Hopefully, you know, when I go pick it up, I'll be able to record the whole thing and put it on here. I got the matte black one, and you know, I don't live that far from work, so it's gonna be great. I live like 4 miles from work, so it's gonna be a great commuter bike. Driving this will literally pay for itself in the gas that I don't spend on my car. I just checked my car today and I'm getting 10 miles to the gallon, but that's not unexpected. But yeah, this should be pretty interesting. I can't wait to get it. I gotta wait till May, but yeah, I was the first one here in the Fox Valley area here in Illinois to grab one. They came out yesterday and I bought one yesterday. So all right, guys, just want to give you guys an update. And oh, I got some interesting stuff about, I found out some stuff about the 3D printer that I was working on. You guys haven't seen the video yet, but there's some more stuff coming. And I did get my pseudo Nixie tube clock kit too, so that's gonna be pretty awesome. I'm gonna start working on that. But anyways, all right, well, I'm going to be uploading that video of the 3D printer working on the electronics today. So we'll talk to you later. All right, have a good one. Peace.